Let's play a game real quick. Is this video you're watching AI generated or a real video? I want you to take your time and watch this video and tell me what you feel. Okay, this video is AI generated. What about this one? And this one? All these videos you are seeing here are all AI generated video. Now, with this new release, this AI is more than other video or text to video AI you've seen so far. This is one of the best AI video you will see in the market, as it gives detail even to the jumping, the legs, the hand, though a little bit of fluctuating, but you know that this at least is one of the best, and this is purely text to video generation. I will also be showing you some videos that was generated by this AI and also the prompt, and at the end of this video I'll be showing you how you can also join the waitlist of this Google DeepMind, so that once it comes to limelight, you also can be one of the first people to make use of this AI. So let's look at other videos. Now please take a look at this video. As you can see, the whole bubble, the whole movement of the dog and everything. Look at the whole detail that was given in this video, and this video is purely AI generated. And I'll also be showing you the prompt of this video. Look at this one. You see, very real. The legs, the movement, you won't even know that this is AI generated. Let me show you more, then I'll also show you some of the prompts they use in generating this video. I also want you to pay attention to this video. Somebody used this AI tool in generating Game of Thrones, the last part, and I want you guys to just pay attention to how this AI was able to generate it, and this is also a mind-blowing video. This AI is one of the best you can find currently. It's used, look at the whole detail they give to Game of Thrones. It is used in generating Game of Thrones. Look at every movement and everything, all done by an AI. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, hit the subscribe button, as I will be revealing to you more AI tools you can use in generating videos like this. This AI is one of the best you can find currently. It's used, look at the whole detail they give to Game of Thrones. It is used in generating Game of Thrones. Look at every movement and everything, all done by an AI. This AI is one of the best you can find currently. It's used, look at the whole detail they give to Game of Thrones. It is used in generating Game of Thrones. Look at every movement and everything, all done by an AI. This is just in the test phase, and these are all the videos it has done. And despite the fact that this look very super amazing, so let's look at this DJ music. Let's see the prompt that was able to produce this. Now if you look at this is the prompt. They said an extreme close up shot, an extreme close-up shot, focus on the face of a female DJ. Her beautiful, voluminous, black curly hair, framing her features as she becomes completely absorbed in the music. Her eyes are closed, lost in the rhythm, and a slight smile. If you notice, all this feature is what is being displayed on this video, right? So that means this AI pay even detail to not just anything but to your prompt. There is a close detail to your prompt. It means it follows your prompt, and also it's also good in physics, just like I had said. And this is the prompt that was able to generate this. Now also this is for this girl. This is also the prompt that was able to generate this. So this medium shot with a shallow depth of field portrait a cute cartoon girl. You see, this prompt also was able to generate this. Also this one you're seeing here, this prompt was also able to generate this. This prompt also generate these swarms of this man with the swarms of bee, swarm of bee. Now there are also this city shot you're seeing. This also was the prompt that was able to generate this video you're watching. Now let us look at some of the benchmark in comparison with other AI. Now if you look at this, there is also a meta AI. So the meta AI, if you look at this is the map. So this map we use in knowing what each of these AI are capable of doing. Now view is the one in green. Now view means it is preferred over view over meta video gen. View is preferred over meta video gen. Now also if you look at in comparison with Kling AI 1.5, view is also preferred over it, but it is 49.5% preferred, while this has 53.8 based on the preferred. Now based on tie, their tie is about 15.6%, and these are other tied based on overall preference. Then also based on prompt adherence, meaning how is it able to follow the prompt. If you look at this, you see viewed is also preferred. The preferred viewed followed prompt more, and also based on other preferred, what other people preferred, their percent based on the percentage of preference. These are all the table. Then apart from that, these are also other prompts this AI was able to generate. Based on their prompts, it was able to generate all this video. Now what are the limitations of this? Now while view 2 demonstrates incredible progress creating realistic dynamic or intricate videos and maintaining complete consistent throughout complex scene or those with complex motion remains a challenge. We will continue to develop and refine performance in these areas. So it means that view has a little challenge in maybe bringing out things that are consistent and also understanding complex scenes. So just like if you look at this image, there is a little slight, if you notice, just take note of the way the image goes. Now if you look at this, it takes the face of the human, right? Now this man also there disappears. Now also this is the prompt that was able to generate that. And how do you now get into this? Let's say you want to sign up for this, or you want to also be among the first people to use this. So there will be a link. I will be dropping the link that you can use in signing up, but let me just show you how it looks like so that you guys will understand. So just click on this place you see, sign up to try the view. So I'll also be dropping this link in the description below. So once you click on that, now you have to come here and subscribe or sign in with your Google account. So just click on sign in with Google account. It's loading. Now click on sign in. So once you are able to click on sign in, at the top click on next, then scroll down. So once you scroll down, you click on next again. So once you click on next, just click on agree and continue. Then once you click on agree and continue, at the top you see join the wait list. So just click on join the wait list. So once you click on join the wait list, it will be taking you to a form, a Google form. Please fill out the Google form clearly with your name, your information and everything, because once you're able to fill out this information, once this AI tool is available in the market, you will be able to join them. So once you fill it out, click on submit. So this is the form, fill it out, then click on submit, and that's all. Now once you are able to sign in, you can come here to this video FX and use it. Now, any question you have, feel free to ask me any question you have. As also, this is not just the only tool Google are creating, or Google had created, or Google is creating. This is not the only tool Google had created. Now, there are other tools like ImageFX. Now, the ImageFX also is also similar to this, in the sense that you also give it a prompt, and once you give it a prompt, maybe in another video, so that this video will not be too long, I'll be showing you how to use this to generate realistic videos, which you can also use to create your faceless or viral content for your short, whether you are creating it for YouTube short, or for TikTok short, or you are doing TikTok, Instagram reel, or other kind of video. You can generate images with this, and also they are very realistic. Apart from that, there's also the MusicFX. So the MusicFX also, you can use it in generating quality beat with a prompt, and you can give you the beat. So let me just show you what I'm trying to say. So let's say create or generate a cool music, emotional music for lovers of sport. Then click on generate. Now this also is also part of what Google, so Google AI will be able to pick out some of the things you've put, and once it has picked out those things, if you notice, it's pick out the word cool, it pick out the word emotion, so also on that video I'll also show you how to create that. Let me play the song. Now if you don't like the beat, you can also regenerate. Now you can also say so I said you should make the song using a guitar. So it is generating. So once it generates, let's see whether right. If you notice, it is able to understand the prompt. So it means this is just mind-blowing, as Google is doing its best, trying its best to make their AI stand out even more than Sora AI that you know. So feel free to ask me any question using the comment section, and also tell me the tool you want to use between all the video generation model you know, within Holo AI, Minimax, and the other, and Sora and the other ones. Please just tell me your preferred AI tool using the comment section, and have a nice day. Merry Christmas in advance, and wishing you a successful new year. 2025 is by the corner, so take note and also try to advance your skill, and also try to write down things you want to improve in your life. So I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace out.